Ready to dive into the exciting world of TapTap China and experience a huge library of games, even if you're a gamer from Cambodia? Awesome! This guide will break down, step by step, how to log into TapTap China, making it easy for Khmer-speaking gamers. First things first, ensuring a smooth, stable user experience is what we want. Step 1. Start by downloading the TapTap app. Search TapTap in your app store or find a trusted download link online. Keep in mind, the process will be different between Android and iOS users. Android users use app files, while iOS users need to get creative with the Chinese Apple ID. Step 2. Once the app's installed, open TapTap. You'll be presented with the login screen. You'll see different login options, including social media or mobile phone number options. Take a closer look at the sign-up process. Step 3. Choose which option to use to log in. If you have a WeChat account, select the relevant icon. This often simplifies things. Otherwise, you might need a Chinese phone number. These are available for purchase online. If you don't have one, be aware of the account regulations. Step 4. If you've chosen a social media login like WeChat, you'll get a prompt to authorize TapTap. Grant the necessary permissions to proceed. Then, find your game and get ready to play. That's it. You should now be logged into TapTap China. Explore the vast game library, immerse yourself in the gameplay, and enjoy an incredible gaming experience. Happy playing!